How to troubleshoot app crashes after OS update. Once the update has completed, then your device automatically restarts. If it doesn't restart, then restart manually. OS updates modifies a lot of files. A restart helps the system stabilize. Now try to clear cache of the crashing app. For this, open Settings on your device. In Settings, look for the option Apps and click on it. Inside Apps, look for the specific app that was crashing. Click on the app and select the option Storage. Inside Storage, at the bottom right corner, you should see Clear Cache. Click on that. After following this step, try opening the app. If the app still crashes, then update the app. Go to your Play Store and look for any kind of updates that may be available for that specific app. Go to the search bar and search for the app, and if there are any updates available, then update it. If there are no updates available and it's still not working, then try uninstalling the previous updates. To do that, open Settings on your device. In the app info at the top right corner, click on the three dot icon and select Uninstall Updates. After this, again go back to Play Store and update your app. Once all these steps are done, then restart your device. That's all for today. Thank you.